The piston O-ring seals the piston to the cylinder. The seal allows for pressure in the cylinder when the gun is fired. This pressure drives the piston down the cylinder. Over time, the O-ring will wear, and the seal will be lost. This can cause the driver to lose power or not drive at all. Replacing the piston O-ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nail gun's cap. With the cap removed, I can remove the cylinder from the gun. Now I'll remove the piston from the cylinder. With the piston removed, I can go ahead and remove the piston ring and install the new one. First, I'll apply some grease to the ring. And then I'll install it onto the piston. Now I'll install the piston back into the cylinder, and this assembly is ready to go back into the nail gun. As I install the cylinder, you'll notice that it's oblong. This wide portion should point to the back of the gun. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cap. And that's all it takes to install a new O-ring in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.